Alright, so I'm seeing this happen more and more with these as they age, and I was able to actually pull the damn thing out. This is the style that they crimp. These seem to hold pretty good, I guess. Maybe this one's on the verge of pulling out. So I had to take this thing apart to get the rest of this crap out of here. Usually once they're in here, you ain't getting them out. What'll happen is you'll pull the wire out and this will stay behind, because the more you pull, the more these grab. But this one did pop out. So I was ready to just go ahead and replace the ends. But this one's going to be probably salvageable. But this definitely happens quite a bit on these. I've had a couple of them melt because I ran too much power through them too. So that's my fault. But this one here, it looks a little, I don't know, heated maybe. I feel like some of the cheap connectors, they just don't really make a good contact. And like this one here, they would be like this. But why is this other thing completely discolored like that? So I bought these, I think I already crimped. This might be from Santan Solar, because it is. So it's made in the USA wire. But whatever plugs they use, they're just junk. And the problem with these things is, like, you know, it's like, it's not really that snug. And you don't know how snug it is when these two are pushed together. It might be sitting in there loose, and then it just makes heat. So I think that's the problem with these.